Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You should start now by confirming battery and connections so the update won't fail. Make sure the watch is on its charger and at least 50% charged. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network and stay nearby. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap General, then Software Update. You'll see the available Watch OS 11 build. Tap Download and Install to begin. This initiates the secure transfer to your watch and prepares files for installation. Once the download begins, let it complete fully. Larger updates can take 20 to 60 minutes depending on connection speed. You'll be prompted to enter your iPhone or watch passcode. Do this to authorize the install. Make sure both devices remain unlocked and on their chargers, and keep them within a few feet so Bluetooth stays stable. The iPhone prepares and sends the installer, then the watch reboots to apply the update. This is normal, so be patient and avoid interrupting power. After installation, follow on-screen setup prompts on your watch and iPhone to finish configuration and sync settings. If the update stalls or shows an error, first restart the iPhone and the watch, then attempt the update again while on charger. Make sure you've removed any beta profiles and that you have adequate free storage. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch as a last resort. This often clears corrupted transfers and restores a clean update path.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.